What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video of Barbecue with Barry, and today we are doing some garlic butter smoked shrimp. Let's get started. All right, so we got a pretty simple recipe today, some garlic butter smoked shrimp. Basically for this recipe, what we're gonna do is fill our cast iron pan with our shrimp, top it with butter and garlic, throw it on the smoker at 250 for right around 35 minutes. Once that shrimp reaches an internal temperature of right around 145 degrees, we can go ahead, take that off, let it cool down a little bit, and then it's time to eat. So let's dive right into this and prepare our shrimp. All right, so what I got here is a 3-pound bag of large raw shrimp. They've been deveined and peeled. So we're gonna go ahead, get these in a bowl and get them all seasoned up. Got our bowl here. Gonna go into the bowl with probably about, I'd say half the bag. Gonna go ahead and get some olive oil on these. Then we're gonna be seasoning them today with some Cajun Creole seasoning. Go ahead, get that seasoning in there. Then just give these a little toss. Lost the shrimp there. All right, now that we got our shrimp all tossed up, we're gonna go ahead and get them in our cast iron pan. All right, now that we got our shrimp in there, go ahead and top with a little bit of extra seasoning. And now it is time to add our pats of butter. And the last thing we'll do here is go ahead and top it with some minced garlic. But if you don't have minced garlic, I have these, which are great, which are basically just garlic pre-minced and kind of reshaped into cloves of garlic. That's our minced garlic there. Minced, but like I said, they come like this. All right, so we got our shrimp prepared. Pretty easy step there. Just threw them in a bowl, added some olive oil, threw some Cajun Creole seasoning on top, placed them in our cast iron pan, added some butter and some minced garlic. Now we get our smoker fired up to 250 degrees.
Shit.
All right, so we just put our shrimp on at 250 degrees on the smoker where they should sit for right around 30-35 minutes until that internal temperature on the shrimp reaches 145 degrees. Then they'll be ready to go. Something that I'm gonna do in this video is just show you kind of what side I'm gonna make with this dinner. So what we're gonna have tonight is just some roasted potatoes. Super, super easy. I really prefer red potatoes over yellow for roasting especially. So let's go ahead and get started on our side dish. All right, so we got here 6 red potatoes. We're gonna go ahead, get these diced up. Now that we got all of our potatoes diced up, go ahead and throw them on this pan, which is just a pan that came with our toaster oven / air fryer / everything else that it is. But it's a great little pan so that you don't have to throw these in the oven and get the whole oven hot just for this one side dish. But if you're cooking more, feel free, throw them in the oven. All right, now we're just gonna top them with a little bit of olive oil. And then meat Church Blanco. This is one of my favorite seasonings for veggies and steaks, especially veggies. I use it on just about every veggie that I cook, whether it's potatoes, asparagus, broccoli, all that. All right, then we're gonna top it with some crushed garlic, Like I said, if you have fresh minced garlic, that is definitely a lot better. I use that. I actually used our last clove last night, or last head of garlic, I should say. So go ahead, put the garlic on there. Then the last thing is going to be about half a stick of butter, which we'll cut into little pats of butter and spread those on top. Gotta have butter with potatoes. They just go so well together. So, all right, and last but not least, a little bit of Italian seasoning. All right, now that we got our potatoes all seasoned up and ready to go, our shrimp is on the smoker cooking right now. We'll go ahead, throw these in the toaster oven. We're gonna set it to bake at 400 for right around 20 to 25 minutes. Usually while those potatoes are in the toaster oven, I like to every 5-10 minutes, go ahead to pull that tray out, stir them a little bit just to get that butter mixed in and all the seasonings kind of mixed in to get on every side of the potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and check our temp on our shrimp. Looking like they are done. Go ahead, pull these off. All right, we just took our shrimp off. They were on the smoker at 250 for right around 35, 37 minutes-ish. They were hitting an internal temperature of 145, 150, some up to like 152, but that's okay. They're all done, and I am so excited to try these. All right, so let's do a little recap of our cook here today. So we got a 3-pound bag of peeled and deveined shrimp from Sam's Club. They were frozen. I took them out, put them in the fridge so that they could thaw a little bit before I cooked them tonight. We then put them in a bowl, added some olive oil, some Creole seasoning, and then put them in our cast iron pan with some butter and garlic. We then put them on the smoker at 250 degrees for right around 35 minutes till they reach an internal temperature of 145. Then we took them off, let them rest, and this is the result. All right, let's dig in and see how we did. Now, optional, you can top this with a little bit of lemon juice after they're finished cooking if you would like. I decided not to this time. I'm not a huge fan of lemon juice, whether it's on calamari or shrimp, so I didn't, but let's go ahead and get some of that garlic butter and give these a try. Those are really good. That Cajun Creole's got a little bit of a kick to it. This is their least spicy seasoning, but definitely has a little bit of a kick to it. If you don't like spice, I might just season with meat Church Blanco, which is basically just salt, pepper, garlic. Would go great with this. That butter, it's almost like when you get some nice crab legs and dip them in that butter. Wow, that is really good. All right, so let's go ahead and try our roasted potatoes. So we dice these up, put these on this pan with aluminum foil, added some meat Church Blanco seasoning, some garlic, some butter, some olive oil, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Threw them in the toaster oven on bake at 400 for right around 20 minutes, and let's see how we did. I mean, you can't beat that. Classic potato pairing with our shrimp. This is an awesome meal. Thanks everybody for watching. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded a video. My goal this year is to do a lot more of these videos. I know a lot of people that enjoy them. I enjoy doing them and finding different recipes and creating some of my own and sharing them with you guys. So be sure to like this video, share it with somebody that you think needs to make this garlic butter smoked shrimp and the roasted potatoes. And I'll see you guys in the next one.